Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who values safety and convenience while driving, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into the features of the Neideso N300 360 dashcam, a top-notch dashcam that offers full protection for your car. Whether you're concerned about driving, parking, or simply capturing every moment on the road, this camera promises to deliver. Let's take a closer look at what makes this product stand out in the crowded dashcam market. The Neideso N300 is an impressive 4-channel dashcam that ensures a complete 360 view around your car. It's designed with front, rear, and interior cameras, offering full coverage to capture every angle. With 3 video recording modes available, you can choose between 4K plus 108op, to K plus 108op plus 108op, or 108op plus 108op plus 108op plus 108op, depending on your needs. This flexibility makes it a powerful option for anyone looking for customizable video resolution. What truly sets this dashcam apart is its built-in GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities. The GPS tracks your vehicle's location, speed, and route, giving you precise details about your drive. You can also use the companion app to view recordings, share videos, and monitor real-time data directly from your smartphone. Another standout feature is the Super Night Vision. With 8 LED infrared sensors and wide dynamic range technology, the N300 ensures clear and detailed footage, even in low-light conditions. Plus, with the G sensor, any sudden impact or collision will automatically lock the footage to prevent it from being overwritten. So, if you're looking for a reliable and advanced dashcam, the Neideso N300 offers all the features you need: 360 coverage, GPS tracking, night vision, and even voice control for hands-free operation. Plus, it ensures your car is protected 24/7 with its parking mode. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more product reviews. And for those interested, you can grab the Neideso N300 dashcam through the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safe!